Hello, I'm home, baby. I'm home, I'm back. How are you? How have you been? I've now been home from the Philippines for 48 hours, and the past 48 hours I have been rotting on my sofa. I am so jet lagged. I've been fighting off sleep throughout the day, every day. I'm also PMSing and I have the holiday blues. It's been a rough couple of days. I'm on a serious holiday come down. Today, I need to get my life back together because I can't be in mourning forever, you know? So I just thought I'd vlog with you guys today, just do a little daily vlog of the first day back. I haven't counted the last 2 days because I've been a shell of a human. My first day back properly after a beautiful, gorgeous 3 weeks away, which, oh God, I just had the best time and I cannot wait to... There's a spider on my ceiling. Can't wait to share the vlog with you. My house looks like a tornado's been through it because I am such a messy packer and I just left it in a state. And I knew I'd hate myself when I came back, but here we are. I'll never change, probably. My hair after... You saw the reset vlog like last week of me going and getting my hair dyed red again. This is the... Hang on. The ends of my hair is currently turning green. The red was gone within 3 days, I think, of just being in the pool and in the sea, and my hair turned blonde and now it is turning green from all the chlorine. We are going to be refreshing the red in my hair today. I'm so excited to get my hair back to the bright mermaid red. I just had a gorgeous everything shower apart from my hair, obviously, because I'll do that in the bath. And I'm just going to take you guys along with me for today. I've left my house once since I arrived home, and that was yesterday. I'll insert that clip here. I have an incredibly important errand to run. Let's go. I am in love with Sarah J. Maas. I'm obsessed. I've never read so much in my life. I finished the second book way too early in the trip. I was limiting myself of how many chapters I was allowing myself to read because I didn't want to finish it before the trip was up, but put me by a pool and I will read for England, and I finished that book so quick and I am already on chapter 18. I read all day yesterday and it was just so delightful. I'm obsessed. That is honestly all I've achieved in the past couple of days. But we're back and I've missed you. Let me know how you've been. I'm sorry there was nothing going live while I was away. Boring, but I filmed and edited 2 videos, pressed upload, checked that they'd gone live, the uploads had failed. So we are running a couple of weeks behind. By the time you see this, I would have been home for like a week. But that's where we're at. Hello. The best part for me about traveling is I always feel so much more inspired coming home. It never fails me. I feel inspired, I feel excited to film, excited to make fun content, put effort in and get outside more and do more shit, because I have a tendency to hermit when I'm in England. The sun is out, summer is coming, and I'm ready to use this momentum, implement it into my everyday life, not just traveling. Let's have a great day, shall we? It's an art mood, literally, except I'm not productive. Good job, me. Nobody comment on how badly I need to iron / steam my shirt. I didn't want to, so I didn't. Quite a few things I wanted to do today haven't happened. So I really wanted to go to the gym today mentally, but I'm so tired. I just don't have it in me. I just don't have it in me quite yet. So I'm hoping that tomorrow I will wake up, get a semi-normal night's sleep, will hopefully feel like getting back into it, because the whole trip away I was like, I can't wait to get back to the gym, I can't wait to get back to the gym, and now I'm home, I'm like, I don't want to go. But one thing I really need to do is meal prep and dye my hair. But I can't wait to get into my fresh bed tonight. I'm so excited. I shaved my legs this morning. I'm gonna get into a clean, fresh bed. Ooh, it's gonna be good. Read my book. Ooh. But let's meal prep. I'm warning you, it's the same spaghetti bolognese I've been having for weeks. I'm gonna film a little fitness update and talk about my fitness challenge from before the trip because, and I'm not gonna lie, I lost a bit of weight. And I'm not gonna lie, I've gained it all back since being away, which is completely fine. The goal was not to lose weight. But for the next 4 weeks, I'm going back to the meal plan that I was eating before I went away, just for the next 4 weeks to get me back into like routine and habit. And then I have a new goal that will start in 4 to 6 weeks, which I'm really excited about. I'm a bit nervous, but I'm excited, and I will talk to you about that later on in like a different video. Anyway, let's cook. Let's do some cooking. Anyway, I'm gonna dye my hair now. I think we need some light because I'm also filming this for TikTok. She's a multitasking queen. Oh, this needs a wash so bad. That's the state of my hair. Oh my god, good morning. I rinsed it out last night and I put my heatless curlers in and slept in those last night. And here is how my hair is looking this morning. I'm sick of this length. I feel like heatless curlers make me look a little bit, I don't know. I'm not a fan of how it's styled, but it's fine. I'm literally about to go to the gym anyway. I need to go over it one more time with a little bit more of just the bright red, I think, because I want a little bit more vibrancy. And there's also a couple, there's one piece around here somewhere of like blonde pieces that are just peeking through a little bit. It needs one more go and then I think I'll be back to my Ariel magic hair, but I already feel so much better. At least the green's gone. That was starting to really irk me. I also just filmed this little look for TikTok. If you guys want to see my like travel makeup bag and a little get ready with me using those products as like a YouTube video, which is basically this makeup look, then leave it in a comment down below and I'll be sure to film that for you. You can kind of see the blonde piece. There you go. But yeah, last night I slept so well. I slept till 6:30 and I think I was asleep by like 11. So I had like a semi-normal night's sleep for me, which I know some people will say that's not enough sleep, and I know it's not enough sleep, but I just, sleep and me aren't friends, okay? But I think that the jet lag is going, which is amazing. Now the final stage of me getting back to normal life, getting back into my normal routine is the gym. So I am gonna go now to the gym. I was gonna do a glute day, but I can't quite face that as a concept right now. So I'm just gonna go and do a back day, the kind of least intimidating workout in my weekly plan. It's also my favorite muscle group to train. Just going there, being in the environment, will remind me how much I loved it, kickstart my love for it again, and get me excited to get back training. It just takes one session for me and I'm like, oh my god, I love this. I'm giving myself a fighting chance by making it a back day. Hopefully the gym's not crazy busy, but hopefully a few of my friends are there. Let's go do the final stage of this reset routine. Let's go to the gym. My laundry is folded and put away. It's a new era, guys. It's a new era of a domestic goddess. Ooh, I'm procrastinating. Okay, let's go.
this for Meryl.
Hi, I'm home. I've been to the gym. I didn't end up filming because it was quite busy, surprisingly, but I trained back and biceps and it was so fun. I had such a lovely workout. I was only in there for like 45 minutes, 5 exercises. There are 2 spiders in my... Why is there more than 1 spider in one place? As soon as I see more than 1 spider, I'm like, that's it, there's a nest. We're not gonna think about it, we're not gonna think about it, we're not gonna think about it. It felt so good to move, be back in my happy place. I was so pleasantly surprised by the weight I was able to push or pull. It was pull day. I always, as soon as I come back from a holiday, I psych myself out and I'm like, I'm gonna be so weak, blah, blah, blah. But I just lowered my rep range today and did the same working weights that I used just before I left. And I was easily getting the reps. Like I just did a 6 to 8 instead of an 8 to 10 rep range and I was fine. Tomorrow's leg day though, so wish me luck. On the way home from the gym, I bought myself some flowers, did a little baby food shop, and I'm gonna end this video here because I feel so ready to start working and living again now. Not like mentally like I want to, but I feel like I've prepared myself and I can start my routine again. I just felt like the past 3 days I've been like flailing around, so jet lagged, sad that I was home. I literally just watched TV all day for like 2 days and I hate that feeling. So now I'm like up and I'm moving and the momentum aside, I already feel so much better and this has done me a world of good and I feel great. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in my next video, whatever and whenever that may be. Bye!